MODLR Training by Vistasparks Solutions. Master Modern, Financial Planning, Budgeting, Forecasting, and Performance Management with our comprehensive MODLR Training program. Learn how to streamline financial operations, automate reporting, and improve decision-making using the powerful MODLR Connected Planning Platform. This hands-on training is designed to help professionals and organizations build efficient planning models, manage financial data, and create real-time reports for smarter business performance management. Contact unmentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. Individuals who possess strong analytical skills and a keen eye for detail will be able to unlock their full potential with Vistasparks Solutions. Mastering MODLR enables them to make informed decisions about their business and achieve greater success. The company's solutions are tailored to meet the needs of professionals who require more sophisticated tools than traditional spreadsheets. The company's vision is to provide a platform for organizations to manage their finances effectively. This involves creating a comprehensive framework for forecasting, budgeting, and decision-making. MODLR aims to revolutionize the way organizations approach financial planning by providing advanced analytics tools and expert guidance. The company's mission is to help organizations achieve their goals through data-driven insights and strategic recommendations. MODLR solutions are designed to support both small and large businesses, enabling them to make informed decisions and optimize their resources. The MODLR platform is designed to revolutionize the way businesses approach financial planning and decision-making. By providing a cloud-based environment for dynamic modeling, accurate forecasting, and real-time collaboration, MODLR enables finance and business professionals to work more efficiently and effectively. With its cutting-edge technology, MODLR transforms raw data into actionable insights, empowering users to make informed decisions with confidence. This transformation is made possible by the elimination of traditional spreadsheet limitations, such as errors and complexity. By moving away from these limitations, MODLR allows users to focus on high-level strategy and growth, rather than getting bogged down in tedious data management tasks. As a result, MODLR has the potential to significantly improve business performance and drive success. MODLR offers several advantages over traditional spreadsheets. Firstly, it provides seamless integration with various data sources such as Excel and ERP systems. This allows users to connect their data in one place, making it easier to manage and analyze. Additionally, MODLR automates calculations, data updates, and consolidations, reducing manual errors and saving hours. Furthermore, its intuitive dashboards enable users to visualize results in an interactive and user-friendly manner. MODLR's scalability also makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to enterprises. Its smart automation features eliminate the need for coding, allowing users to build robust financial models quickly and easily. Overall, MODLR provides a unified environment for managing and analyzing data, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to streamline their operations. The digital landscape has become increasingly complex, making it difficult for individuals and organizations to navigate and make sense of their data. Traditional tools like spreadsheets and formulas often struggle to keep up with this complexity, leading to frustration and inefficiency. However, there is hope for those looking to bring order to their digital world. A single, intelligent platform can provide a unified view of all data, eliminating the need for multiple tools and reducing errors. This platform offers real-time visibility into various aspects of business operations, enabling informed decision-making and enhanced collaboration among team members. By replacing outdated methods with this cutting-edge technology, individuals and organizations can achieve greater clarity and productivity. Individuals who are not empowered may struggle to meet expectations and achieve their goals. They may feel undervalued, unappreciated, and unsupported, which can lead to decreased motivation and job dissatisfaction. Without proper resources and guidance, individuals may become frustrated and disengaged from their work, ultimately affecting the organization's performance. Organizations must recognize the importance of empowering individual professionals and take proactive steps to address their needs. The MODLR Training program is designed to help certified finance professionals, business analysts, and FP&A teams develop new skills and knowledge. This program is specifically tailored for these groups to enhance their skills. The program focuses on practical learning experiences, using real-world case studies and hands-on model building exercises. Participants will gain mastery over driver-based models, scenario analysis, and real-time collaboration tools. Upon completion, participants can earn recognized certification that validates their expertise. The structured modules ensure efficient learning and maximize the benefits of the training. Individual transformation is about turning complex data into actionable insights. With this skill, you can forecast more accurately and make better decisions. By enhancing your strategic decision-making abilities, you can turn complex data sets into clear, compelling logic. This will enable you to create powerful profiles, stand out in the market, and gain insight-driven confidence. Furthermore, you will be able to optimize forecasts, improve what-if scenarios, and enhance career advancement opportunities. Ultimately, individual transformation leads to improved forecasting accuracy, direct contributions to business cycle growth, and increased confidence in your ability to drive smarter decisions. The company has been working with a team of experts who have developed a comprehensive framework for managing stress and anxiety. This framework provides a structured approach to identifying and addressing the root causes of these issues. By using this framework, individuals can develop effective coping strategies and improve their overall well-being. The framework also includes tools and resources that support mental health and resilience. First strategy is setting clear goals and objectives. It is essential for an organization to have a clear vision and set achievable goals to work towards. This helps in keeping the entire team focused and motivated. Clear goals provide direction and purpose, enabling teams to prioritize tasks effectively. Furthermore, achieving specific goals fosters a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction among team members. The company's mission is to provide a platform that enables organizations to model and analyze complex business problems using advanced analytics and machine learning techniques. The platform provides a range of tools and features that support this mission, including advanced data visualization, predictive analytics, and collaboration tools. These tools enable users to create and share models, as well as collaborate with others on projects. The platform also includes a range of pre-built templates and examples, which can be used to get started quickly. Additionally, the platform supports a wide range of data formats and sources, allowing users to easily integrate data from various systems and applications. The platform is designed to be highly scalable and flexible, making it suitable for use in a variety of settings, including large enterprises and small businesses. Automating processes and streamlining management cycles are essential for achieving corporate outcomes. Enterprise security is a critical area of focus, where all data must be protected from unauthorized access. Manual efforts should be eliminated in areas like budgeting, accounting, and financial management. Robust audit logs and role-based access control help maintain data integrity. Customizable and enterprise-grade access enables efficient collaboration among team members. Automation accelerates corporate performance, leading to increased productivity and profit. The company has been using a traditional method for managing its operations, which involves manual processes and outdated technology. The current system is not efficient and does not provide real-time information, leading to delays and inefficiencies. The company needs to adopt a more modern and integrated approach to manage its operations effectively. The company's current IT infrastructure is not capable of supporting the demands of a rapidly changing business environment. The existing hardware and software are outdated and cannot handle the increased volume of data generated by the digital transformation initiatives. The company requires an upgrade to its IT infrastructure to support the growing demand for data-driven decision-making. The company's employees are not adequately trained to utilize the new technologies and systems being implemented. The lack of training and support leads to frustration and decreased productivity among employees. The company must invest in employee training and development programs to ensure that all employees have the necessary skills to work effectively with the new technologies. The company's current financial management practices are not aligned with its strategic goals. The existing accounting procedures are manual and time-consuming, resulting in inaccurate financial reporting and delayed decision-making. The company needs to implement a more automated and streamlined financial management system to align with its strategic objectives. The company's supply chain management practices are not optimized for efficiency and effectiveness. The existing inventory management systems are manual and prone to errors, leading to stockouts and overstocking. The company requires an overhaul of its supply chain management practices to improve inventory management and reduce costs. The MODLR Training curriculum is designed to provide a comprehensive foundation in data fundamentals and advanced optimization techniques. The 6 carefully structured modules are built to help learners develop mastery step by step. Each module is carefully crafted to ensure that learners gain a deep understanding of key concepts and can apply them effectively in practical situations. By the end of this curriculum, learners will have developed the skills and knowledge needed to tackle complex problems and drive business success. The modular design allows learners to progress at their own pace, reviewing material as needed and building on previously learned concepts. This approach enables learners to achieve mastery more efficiently and effectively. The importance of data handling and integration cannot be overstated when it comes to leveraging the full potential of MODLR. Mastering how data enters and flows through the system is crucial for successful model development and maintenance. Effective data handling enables users to import data from various sources such as Excel, ERP systems, and cloud services with ease, utilizing point-and-click simplicity. This automation capability ensures that models remain current and accurate, reducing the need for manual intervention. Validating and cleansing datasets prior to model creation helps prevent downstream errors and ensures the integrity of the data used in the models. By focusing on these critical aspects of data handling and integration, individuals can set themselves up for success in using MODLR to drive business insights and decision-making. Advanced forecasting techniques are essential for organizations to move beyond traditional static projections and build dynamic forecasts that can adapt to changing circumstances in real time. These techniques help businesses develop more accurate predictions by applying various methods, such as building and comparing multiple what-if scenarios, applying driver-based planning, and improving forecast accuracy through rolling forecasts and variance analysis. By adopting these techniques, companies can better evaluate risks and opportunities, make informed decisions, and ultimately drive their business forward. The key benefit of using MODLR's formula engine is its ability to automate complex financial calculations, allowing businesses to focus on higher-level tasks. By leveraging this engine, companies can streamline their financial processes, reduce manual effort, and minimize the risk of formula errors. This enables them to allocate resources more efficiently, making better informed decisions about investments, funding, and other critical business functions. Furthermore, MODLR's flexible financial structures and logic allow for seamless integration with existing systems, ensuring a smooth transition to automated financial management. With MODLR, businesses can build scalable financial models that adapt to changing market conditions, providing a solid foundation for long-term success. The importance of storytelling in building effective reports cannot be overstated. Presenting information in an engaging manner is crucial for capturing the audience's attention and conveying a clear message. A well-designed report should not only provide factual data, but also convey a sense of purpose and direction. To achieve this, designers can utilize various techniques such as interactive dashboards, colorful visualizations, and clear formatting. The incorporation of these elements transforms reports from mere data collections into powerful tools for communication. Effective reporting demands meticulous attention to detail and a commitment to making the information accessible to all stakeholders. By mastering these skills, individuals can craft reports that effectively communicate their message and drive meaningful outcomes. Collaboration and workflow optimization are essential for a successful organization. Teams must work together in real time to achieve their goals. This collaborative approach allows for secure model sharing, streamlined approvals, and reduced version conflicts. Role-based access control enables stakeholders to monitor progress and reduce planning cycles. By using this method, organizations can make faster executive decisions and improve overall performance. The text rewritten in full sentences only, without greetings, and starting with a new sentence is as follows. Advanced techniques and best practices for financial planning and analysis, FP&A, were discussed today. Expert tips for efficient planning and performance optimization at scale were covered. Large, complex datasets were optimized for speed and reliability. Advanced algorithms and best practices were explored to lead to effective FP&A practices. These skills are essential for any finance professional seeking to advance their career.